Cardiologist warns, these 4 cheese you must never eat after 60. Hey everyone, today we're talking about cheese, something most adults over 60 still enjoy regularly. But it turns out almost everyone is making a big mistake in the cheese aisle that could seriously impact their health. The good news is, the fix is incredibly simple. We're going to reveal 4 amazing cheeses you should definitely be eating if you're over 60, and 4 you absolutely need to avoid. The scariest part? One of these bad cheeses could drastically increase your stroke risk, and you've probably eaten it recently without a second thought. This isn't guesswork, it's based on solid science. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments where you're watching from, your age, and which cheese you eat most often. We love reading and replying to every single comment. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Now, let's get to our countdown, starting with the cheeses that are actually good for you. Number 4. Aged Gouda. Think of aged Gouda as a superfood in disguise. When it's aged for at least 18 months, it transforms into a nutritional powerhouse. During aging, proteins break down into easier-to-digest compounds called bioactive peptides. This is super important as we get older because our digestion becomes less efficient. Aged Gouda is also packed with vitamin K2, a nutrient most people don't know about but is crucial for heart health and strong bones. Vitamin K2 acts like a calcium traffic director, keeping it out of your arteries and directing it to your bones and teeth. Number 3. Genuine Parmesan cheese. Real Parmigiano Reggiano isn't just cheese. It's like an edible multivitamin. Forget the stuff in the green can. That's full of additives. Authentic Parmigiano Reggiano, made with time-tested methods, is incredibly nutritious. Just 1 ounce provides about 10 grams of highly digestible protein, which is fantastic for maintaining muscle mass as we age. It's also loaded with calcium, more than a glass of milk, but it's absorbed much better than from supplements. Plus, it contains an amino acid called tyrosine, which helps with alertness, focus, and mood. Try eating it in small chunks after meals to aid digestion and support muscle repair overnight. Number 2. Grass-fed raw cheddar. When made from raw, unpasteurized milk and aged properly, this cheddar is a nutritional goldmine for older adults. The aging process preserves beneficial enzymes and nutrients that pasteurization destroys. It's rich in conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, and has a great balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, making it powerfully anti-inflammatory. This is excellent for managing joint pain and heart health. It's also packed with vitamins A, D, K2, and E, which are often deficient in seniors. The living probiotics in raw cheddar are amazing for gut health and can even support mood and cognitive function. And number 1, Swiss Gruyere. This cheese deserves the top spot because it offers the most complete package of nutrition and senior-specific health benefits. Made from milk of cows grazing in the Alps, it has a unique nutritional profile. The aging process produces propionic acid, which helps reduce inflammation and can even help manage cholesterol. It's also a great source of vitamin B12, which many seniors are low in. Gruyere is rich in compounds that boost glutathione, your body's master antioxidant, helping to fight aging and support immune function. It also provides essential minerals for bone health and immune support. Now, let's flip the script and talk about the dark side of the cheese aisle. These are the 4 cheeses you really want to avoid, especially if you care about your heart, memory, and independence. Before we reveal them, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. These next 4 cheeses could be silently contributing to health issues you've been experiencing. Number 4. Processed cheese slices. These individually wrapped slices are super convenient, but they are among the most damaging foods for seniors. They often contain less than 51% actual cheese, with the rest being emulsifiers, artificial colors, preservatives, and industrial fats. The sodium content alone is a major cardiovascular risk. Plus, the additives can damage your gut lining, leading to inflammation, insulin resistance, and even cognitive decline. They offer the illusion of dairy nutrition while actively harming your health. Number 3. Pre-shredded cheese. It might seem harmless, but the anti-caking agents added to keep it from clumping, like cellulose and potato starch, can interfere with the absorption of vital fat-soluble vitamins. Some also contain natamycin, an antifungal antibiotic that can disrupt your gut microbiome. The The shredding process also accelerates the breakdown of healthy fats and nutrients. Pre-shredded cheese often has higher histamine levels, which can cause problems for seniors. It's best to buy cheese in blocks and shred it yourself. Number 2, cheese spreads in jars. These shelf-stable spreads are more like a chemical concoction than real cheese. They're loaded with modified food starch, unhealthy fats, and high levels of sodium, often from phosphate salts that can harm your kidneys and arteries. Many contain hidden sources of MSG, which can cause issues like migraines and heart palpitations. Worst of all, they can contain plasticizers from the packaging that act as endocrine disruptors, impacting hormone balance and increasing risks for various health problems. And the number one worst cheese for seniors? Blue cheese. While it has a unique flavor, blue cheese carries specific risks for those over 60. It's extremely high in tyramine, a compound that can cause dangerous spikes in blood pressure, especially if you're taking certain medications for depression or Parkinson's. This can lead to a hypertensive crisis, significantly increasing the risk of stroke or heart attack. So there you have it, 4 fantastic cheeses that can support a longer, sharper life and protect your health, and 4 that could be quietly undermining your well-being. If you're over 60, choosing the right cheese isn't just a preference. It's a vital decision for your arterial health, gut, bones, brain, and overall quality of life. The science is clear, and now you have the knowledge to make better choices. What cheese could you absolutely not live without? And have you noticed any health changes after switching up your cheese choices? Share your experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If this video was helpful, please like it, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and share it with someone over 60 who needs to know this information. Thanks for watching.